Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I will be doing a decal on my silicone hand representing Dodgers. So I've already built the nails with young nail gel, and I'm just going in with a glitter gel. So you need to cure this, and I will put that on the pinky and also the middle finger. So I make the nails a little bit longer just for show for the video, but I do have it on the nails on where you could just pop it off afterwards and use them. They're a little bit bulky because it is a tip on the nail bed, and therefore when you pop it off, you kind of pop it off something that's been built over both. So like you pop off the nail bed, which is the young nail gel, builder gel, and then it becomes one with the tip. So it's I do it just for fun practice, and I'm going to go ahead and do the white gel. I love Orly products, you guys. So some of my favorite products are Orly, and I love their builder in a bottle. It's also, you could build the nails like an extension, but instead today I use the young nail product. I love Cara Sky's product, and I'm loving the Prey system, or our Prey system, where it's a full cover tip. It goes on with curing up the builder gel, but Cara Sky, which is that right there that I'm using, she came out with her new jelly tips, and I love her products, you guys. Everything about her products is just beautiful. That's a builder in a bottle, which I'll be using to put on the rhinestones. So I didn't fully put on the glitter on here because I just kind of wanted to be like a background to when I put on the blue and clear crystals, but that you could still see a little bit of blue behind and just the color of the nail. So I did it because my husband loves sports, and I said, let me do something out of fun and to represent LA, which is, by the way, the Dodgers. I'm not a sports person, but I believe that you support the team of the city or state that you're in, and because of that makes me, I guess, die hard, because I will support you to the end, especially if you're in my city. But anyways, I did my decal. So there's this special decal paper that's off Amazon, and it's like if you want to put like on candles, on porcelain cups and plates and things like that. So I ended up buying it for nails. What you have to do with it is print for you're a pretty good printer, because you have to shrink the item down pretty small, the pictures down very, very small, which I'm doing right there. Well, right now I'm doing the mold for the little hearts. I love my molds, you guys. I just like working with those. And so but anyways, with the decal, you print on the paper, you let it sit, then you spray it with an adhesive, which I got from, I think, Michael's, an adhesive, like sticky adhesive. You spray it on there, and let that sit for 24 hours so that when you do put the decal in water, it doesn't smudge. So it has to be for 24 hours. So I ended up using the 3 different size hearts for the thumb, and a beautiful rhinestone. And also I love this rhinestone as well. So these are the decals I was telling you about, and those are the ones I printed. I shrink them down, I take them off, cut them to as close as you can to the edge. And honestly, some decal, like the ones that I sometimes buy already made, can be very temperamental, and the paper, like right there, the paper is really thin. Like their paper is really thick, and I'm like, am I supposed to take another layer, because these papers are thick? But anyways, make sure you encapsulate these to help with the that it doesn't come off when you're for me, my hands are always in hot water, and if you have any like little like space, the water will go in, and eventually you'll have seepage in the nail and cause the decal and so forth to start coming off. So, but I had fun doing these because my husband liked them. He's like, why'd you do that for? But yeah, and then I just went ahead and add some rhinestones to it and try to bling bling. I'm a bling bling. I like to put bling bling on everything. So anyways, I hope you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. My Patreon account is patreon.com/nailroomtalk if you want to support me there. And also I'll be doing a top with the top coat with the oily. I told you I love oily as well. So anyways, I also have a paypal.me/nailroomtalk if you want to go donate there. Anything, $1, $2, $3, or $1,000,000 is up to you. Just kidding. Anyways, guys, I hope you like it. This is gonna be me right here talking something else, but I kind of mute myself, and just to show you, I kind of just put this on with a little bit of a little sticky tab for nails, and also glue. So anyways, there you have it when it's on my nail. It stayed on for about a few days, about 3 days, and here I am talking, but telling you guys to go follow me somewhere. And anyways, we'll have a wonderful day. Be safe, be kind, eat healthy, you guys. Build your immune system, have fun in life. Take care, and bye bye now.